Hi guys, I'm a green apple. Yay! Wait, what is that? Is that a tornado? I'm still a green apple. I'm staring at your soul. Whee! I just fell off the bed. 1 plus 1 is 11. You know, guys? Yeah! I just fell off the bed one more time, but that it just caused the earthquake. Put aside my head. I'm glitching out when I totally just shake my finger. Put aside my head. It's like a green apple that is totally just got sliced off. Look at that. Guys, it's been 1 minute right now. Look, it's been one minute and 57 minutes. That's 2 minutes and 4. I'm just standing here. It looks like the green apple just got kicked in. Got kicked in the roof. Just caused another earthquake. Bye guys.